My chart used to be full of indicators. RSI, MACD, moving averages, total chaos. Then I found this new TradingView indicator, and I deleted everything. It gives insanely accurate buy and sell signals, without the clutter. The backtesting results speak for themselves, and make sure to watch the video carefully to discover the indicator name and our secret settings. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, quantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. All right, let's overview the one indicator that completely replaced every tool I used before. Please note that the information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice. Remember that trading with indicators involves risk. The indicator is a multi-mode trend signal tool that detects price momentum and breakout conditions using root mean square deviation instead of standard deviation. It provides a flexible framework for analyzing market conditions through three distinct signal generation methods: Bollinger Band-style deviation, a loop-based scoring system, and a hybrid combined signal. These modes help highlight trend continuation or reversal zones. As you can see, the indicator consists of two components: the main overlay with a baseline and bands, and an oscillator displayed at the bottom. They handle signal generation, depending on the selected mode in the settings: Bollinger Bands, for loop, or combined. Let's briefly overview each one. In the first case, the indicator plots upper and lower volatility bands using RMSD around the main line, which is the moving average defined in the settings. The bands dynamically expand during high market volatility and contract when volatility is low. With that, when price breaks above the upper green band, the main line becomes green, meaning the start of an uptrend. And when the price drops below the lower red band, the main line turns red, indicating the beginning of a downtrend. With the loop method, when the oscillator line moves above the green level, it becomes green, generating a buy signal on the chart. And a break below the red level turns the line red, triggering a sell signal on the chart. Finally, the combined mode averages signals from the first two methods into a single composite score. What is great is that the indicator has a table summarizing signal output from all three modes. We'll show you how to use it a bit later. So, which mode works best? After hours of backtesting, we found that the Bollinger Bands mode is the most effective. For example, the loop mode would have generated a lot of false signals, while the first mode filters out all that noise when used with our optimal settings. And this loop weakness also carried over into the combined mode. And here are the trading rules. When the root indicator displays a green label, we can go long. For extra confirmation, we want to see uptrend conditions in the table from the loop or combined mode, or from both, as shown here. And boom, take a look at the massive upward move that followed. In a bearish scenario, a red label on the chart allows us to enter a short position. Again, it is ideal to see downtrend conditions in the table from the other modes for even more confluence. Voila, the indicator easily spotted a deep downward move. To integrate this powerful indicator, open the indicator window. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. Type root deviation loop and choose the indicator shown here. Want to level up your trading? Meet quantAlgo, our top private indicator, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access quantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this, algo will put you at a disadvantage. We know you're eager to start trading, but keep in mind that the indicator's backtesting performance is not encouraging when used in its raw form. As with many indicators, consolidation is where most of the problems arise. To avoid as many fake signals as possible, we need to optimize the settings and pair the indicator with an appropriate filter. With that, open the Inputs menu, where we'll be working with the Bollinger Bands group, since this is the mode we're using. First, we have the BBMA length, which sets the look-back period used to calculate the root mean square deviation around the selected moving average. For the 15-minute time frame, we adjusted the value to 72. Next, there are upper and lower multipliers applied to the RMSD distance from the average to form the bands. So, change the lower one to 2.4. As of now, we'll move on to the second step in improving the strategy's performance. The confirmation we used is an advanced trading tool that blends a Gaussian moving average with adaptive volatility to provide dynamic trend analysis. It further boosts its effectiveness by applying a for-loop scoring mechanism to identify potential shifts in market direction. So, to validate a long trade entry from the root indicator, the Gaussian MA line should be green. At the same time, to confirm a sell signal from the root indicator, the Gaussian MA line should have a red color. And here's the result. Many bad entries were avoided by using this indicator. To apply this secret filter, go to the indicator menu, search for adaptive Gaussian MA, and click on this one. Now, open the settings menu. Set the calculation period to 12, adjust the long threshold to 10, and change the short threshold to -33. Here are clear examples of long and short setups, with stop-loss levels set beyond the recent swings, and take profit orders aligned with a 1.5 to 1 risk-to-reward ratio. To gauge the strategy's performance, we'll rely on the Quant Capital Strategy Builder, our own breakthrough that provides backtesting data for any TradingView indicator in less than a minute. Just open the Builder's settings, go to the Set Long Conditions tab, choose the parameter that matches the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the process for the bearish side. And now, you know everything about your strategy. Note that backtesting results are shown for educational purposes only. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here are the preliminary Ethereum results on the 15-minute time frame using the optimized root indicator without the table confirmation applied, and the results are mind-blowing. We're looking at a win rate of nearly 72%, a minimal max drawdown of 10%, and an amazing net profit of 302% from only 57 trades. That said, we can already go live, but let's apply a trading filter to improve them even more. So, open the Builder settings where it is already integrated and click right here. Voila, the win rate skyrocketed to 79%, max drawdown remained very low, and we got 208% profit from roughly half the number of trades, implying record profit per trade. The crazy part? The strategy delivered 11 profitable trades in a row, compared to only 2 back-to-back losses. The equity curve is outstanding, and once again, the strategy clearly beat a buy-and-hold approach. So, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.